Listen. A tree is 9 meter tall, broken at a height of 4 meter from the ground, and its top touches the ground. Find the distance of the point where the top touches the ground from the base of the tree. Your tree. Okay. Let us construct the tree. Suppose this A, B is your tree. AB is the length of the tree. It is given
9 meter.
9 meter. From a certain point, it has been broken and it touches the ground. It is touching this ground at point C. Let the point be.
It is broken at a height of 4 meters.
Broken at 4 meter height. It is given. That means A, B, C, D. Let it be D. Listen. The length of the tree is 9 meter. Okay. From the point, from the ground, it is given 4 meter. At 4 meter distance, it has been broken and touches the ground. That means if it is 4 meter, then it is 5 meter. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So
sir.
the length of CD will be also
5 meters.
5 meter.
Yes, sir.
Come to this figure. ACD is a right angle triangle.
Yes.
ACD is a right angle triangle. AD is given. CD is given. It is asked to find out SC. Very simple.
Base.
You will write down solution. AB. The procedure. AB equals to length of tree, that equals to 9 meter. AD equals to how much? 4 meter.
AD equals 4 meters.
4 meter. CD equals to
5 meters.
5 meter. In right triangle. In right triangle ACD. AC square will be, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be CD square minus
AD square.
CD square minus AD square. AC square will be CD square minus AD square. As that implies AC square you will get CD square, this will be 5 meter square minus 4 meter square.
Yes, sir.
This is 25 meter square minus 16 meter square. That equals to 9 meter square. That implies SC equals to root over of 9 meter square. That equals to 3 meter. Hence the length of the top of the tree from the bottom of the or base of the tree, you got 3 meter. Very simple. According to Pythagoras theorem. The price of sugar rises by 25%. By how much percent should a householder reduce his consumption of sugar so as not to increase his expenditure on sugar? That means expenditure should be fixed. Expenditure should be fixed. It will not rise. If the price increases, we have to reduce the consumption so as to maintain the expenditure fixed. In order to maintain the expenditure as it was, suppose your sugar per month, price of the sugar rises and you should have to maintain that 100 rupees and you should reduce the quantity of sugar. You should purchase the reduced sugar quantity. So let us explain and solve. Solution. Let the price of sugar was rupees 100. Let the price of sugar was rupees 100. Now increased price increased price will be 25% of 100, that is rupees 25. 25% of 100, that is 25. The new price of the sugar, the new price of sugar, this would be 100 plus 25, that would be rupees 125. Listen, the price of the sugar was 100, now it has increased to 125, but you should not pay 125 rupees, you have to pay 100 rupees. So quantity of sugar as much you are getting on rupees 100 would be reduced in case of 125 rupees. Okay, so here the increased price rupees 25, so you have to reduce the consumption of sugar according to rupees 25. Percentage, write down, reduced quantity of sugar is of rupees 25. This is the trick. That means the reduced quantity of sugar would be of rupees 25. Then percentage of reduction would be or percentage of reduced in consumption. Percentage of reduced in consumption, that would be the reduced price is 25 out of how much? As it is 125, you have to reduce to 25 rupees from 125, so it will become 25 out of 125 into 100. Put the percentage side, it would be your answer. This is 520. Now 20%. The percent would be 20%. 20% of the consumption should be reduced. Very tricky question and solved easily. Okay.
Yes, sir.